Imagine standing beneath the Eiffel Tower, yearning to explore its heights, but long lines and pricey tickets kept me grounded and frustrated. Scrolling online, I discovered tickets.com offering affordable Eiffel Tower tickets. Their user-friendly interface made booking a breeze, saving precious time. The feature that caught my eye? Instant access without waiting in line. Finally, I ascended the tower effortlessly, enjoying breathtaking Parisian views. No more missed opportunities or wasted hours waiting in queues. Imagine experiencing the Eiffel Tower without the usual hassle. Don't let long lines ruin your Paris adventure. Grab your tickets now. Ready to elevate your travel experience? Visit tickets.com today.